Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial I wanted to do something quick and easy, perfect for the summer, colorful with a little pop of neon, so cute. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you want to know how I got this look, honey, just keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is the foundation. I already prepped my face with a primer. This foundation is from Clinique in the Even Better Refresh formula in the shade Honey, and I just like to apply it evenly throughout my face with a sponge. And I like to make sure that I blend around my ears and my neck to make sure that there's no difference between my foundation and the rest of my body. And I'm just pressing everything into my skin so it can give me more coverage. Then I'm going to contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade Medium. And I like to contour around my cheekbones, my forehead. I have a big forehead, so I have to contour my forehead. That's a must for me. And I like to contour my nose a little bit to make it look a little bit more slim. And I use a flat concealer brush to contour my nose. And then I like to blend it with a smaller brush, and I like to go in circular motions that will give me a more natural and seamless blend. Then I'm going to blend the nose contour, and I like to use a more precise, smaller eyeshadow brush to blend the nose contour. That's going to give me a more neat blending for the contour. And then I'm going to highlight. This is the Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige, and I like to apply it around my eyes to cover my dark circles and to highlight that area. And then I also like to highlight the center of my face, that's including my upper lips, the center of my forehead, my nose bridge, my chin, anywhere where I want to bring a little bit more light. And then I start blending that highlight by pressing it into my skin with a brush. And I also like to apply that concealer on my eyelid to cover up my veins. Then once I blend everything, I use the Fit Me powder by Maybelline, and I like to really press this into my skin to make sure that my concealer is not creasing. And I like to set everything, including my eyelids. That's going to create a nice canvas for the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use a bronzer. This is Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder, and I like to use it around the perimeters of my face to bronze up my face and to also enhance the contour that I did prior. Then I'm going to use a blush. This is Bon and Clyde by Kat Von D, and I like that this blush has two different shades. Now finally it's time to do the eyeshadow. Let's get a little bit closer. So the palette that I'm going to use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. As you can see, I have used and loved this palette so much. I'm going to start with shade Eden, and I'm going to start applying it at the outer corner and then blend it inwards towards my inner corner. This is going to be my transition shade. I want to make sure that I really blend this eyeshadow and build it up little by little. And then it's going to slowly start turning into a nice soft peachy shade. Then I'm going to go with shade Saturn. And I'm going to start intensifying that orange a little bit more, make it stand out more, but also I want it to stay nice and smooth. So you have to go back and forth with the blending and pack it up little by little. Then I'm going to use the ABH eyeshadow primer. You could also use a concealer to cut the crease if you want to, it's up to you. And I like to use it with a flat concealer brush and create a nice base for that pop of neon that we're going to use later on. I've done previous cut crease tutorials, but if you want to see another tutorial more precise on how to do a cut crease, just let me know. And then I'm going to go back with the shade Saturn and go back and fill up the end of that cut crease. And make sure I blend and merge all the colors together so it creates a nice transition. Then I'm going to start packing the shade Sphere into the inner corner. And in order for it to look so intense, you have to really pack this shade and concentrate it, don't blend it as much, just really pack it into the inner corner, and then make sure you blend a little bit with the rest of the shades so everything looks nice and smooth. Then I went in with a liquid eyeliner and did the wing. This eyeliner is by the brand Essence. It's a waterproof liquid liner, and I like it because it's very black and intense. Then I apply some cocoa lashes to make my eyes pop, and then I use a white eyeliner in my waterline. This is gonna make my eyes look a little bit bigger and stand out more. And then the same eyeshadow steps that you use on your eyelids, you do on your lower lash line to make everything nice and cohesive. That's the finished eye look. I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'll be right back with the rest of the makeup. So the lip liner that I'm using here is by the brand BSN, and it's in the shade Break, which is a nice orangey tone to go with the rest of the eyes. And then the lipstick I'm using is by LA Colors. It's a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Sultry. Then I put some setting spray. I apply some highlight. This is my favorite highlight. This one is Heat Wave by Estee Lauder, and it's so nice and gold. And I apply it on my cheekbones, on my nose, on my brow bone, anywhere where I want to highlight pretty much. And that is it, guys. This is the final look. What do you guys think? Very cute, kind of colorful, but not too over dramatic. A little bit simple, a little bit nice, you know what I'm saying. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and honey, I will see you next time.